done that. Okay, let's see where this goes. That's right. Yes, I've got it. There you go. Item should go right here. Perfect. It looks wonderful.
Oh, guys, Sam is tidying up today. He's doing a good job. Hey, Sammy, are you organizing everything?
Yes, when you store things, you need a certain order. Then you can always find the thing you need in no time.
Oh, you're a real Sokoban.
What? Are you calling me names now? Why?
No, Sammy. Sokoban is Japanese for warehouseman. It's a person who makes sure everything is in its place. See? Got it?
Oh, then it's all right. Come on! A little bit more.
Sammy, did you know that there's a game called Sokoban? Shall we try making it from cardboard?
Oh, did you really have to ask? Of course.
Then let's go!
Right. That's better. Oh, hi guys. As you probably figured out, today we're making a cardboard game, Sokoban, about a warehouseman. I've organized almost everything here. And Sue's not here yet. Hey, Sue! Are you coming?
Yes, Sammy, in a moment.
A moment? She just can't have enough of our neighbor Rodger, who's helping us. Right, here's another piece. Let's see. I need to move this to make room for...
Oops! Pipe pieces! Look, Sammy, Rodger helped me cut them. Guys, ask an adult to help you cut the pipes. It's very dangerous.
I brought all kinds of materials.
Oh, well done. Bring the rest.
A moment. I'm not Rodger. I do everything fast.
Oh, Sammy, how can I ever compare you? Right, let's start assembling our game. First, we'll glue these pipe clips in the corners of our cardboard piece, one in each corner. Then we need to prepare our pipes. The short, thicker pipe goes over the long pipe like this. Then we'll insert it into the clips we've glued.
I prepared the second one.
Oh, thank you, Sammy. Let's set it in place as well.
And I've also made these pieces from the clips.
Wow, I don't call you Rocket for nothing. You've got super speed. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree.
What comes next, Sue?
Next, we need a part made of a plastic cap. Could you bring it in?
Will do. Here you go, Susie. A part made of a plastic cap and with double-sided tape all around it.
Thank you. And with one movement, we'll glue our little magnets on. And here we go. The double-sided tape will hold our magnets really well. Look, guys, this is a really cool part we've made.
That's a nice trick. Sticky tape can have its uses, right?
Yes, Sammy, and you don't need to be afraid of it. There. This part will be on the little motor. Guys, we're going to work with wires, so you need to be very careful and ask an adult to help you.
Don't worry, Susie. I'll watch over you.
Thank you, Sammy. Now I feel much safer.
And I've already carefully brought the next pieces.
Hold them a bit carefully. I'll be done in a moment. Perfect. Give them to me, please. One rod will go here, and our magnets will move along it.
Hey, Sue, what about the second one?
No guesses?
Well, I really hope not to hurry up the warehouseman.
Oh, of course not. We need the second rod for the second part with the magnets.
Phew, what a relief.
Give it to me, panicking slime. Let's set it in place.
This looks mysterious. What's the next step?
The next step is to repeat the same on the other side. We'll have 3 motors.
That sounds really awesome!
There, guys! We've connected 2 wires to each motor. Now let's turn our base into a cardboard crate. And if you're wondering where Sam is, he's making important game pieces.
Yes, you can't play without them at all.
And you can play without wires and motors?
Well, don't ask. I'm really busy.
Okay. Look, there's a hole at the side here. We'll put our wires through it. Now we need to connect our motors to buttons and batteries. Watch closely. One black wire from the motor needs to be connected to the other one from the battery, like this.
Guys, be very careful. Ask an adult to help you with the soldering tool. It's dangerous.
Okay, we've secured all of our wires. Now we only need to connect this part to the buttons, right here. As you can see, I've marked all the buttons and the wires with different washi tape, not to confuse them. And this wire goes here. Now all the wires are secured. We only need to place this mechanism into a box.
What do you mean, into a box? We haven't played yet and you're putting it away?
Sam, like always, you've only heard part of the phrase and you're jumping to conclusions. It's just another step, an important one.
Hey, Sarah, my step is almost finished too.
That's great.
Wow, what do all these buttons do? Can I press them?
Sure.
Whoa, they move! That's awesome, but do you know what's missing?
This little piece.
Hey!
And decor pieces too, of course.
That's better. Well done, apprentice.
Thank you. So let's get right to it. Look, guys, we'll use these cardboard pieces to make our game board. It's something like another box with different parts on it. Actually, it's more like a frame because the inner part can be removed and inserted back again to make the game more interesting. And here's our frame. This is the inner part, which can be easily inserted and removed. But it doesn't look much like a game, as Sam would have said.
I'm saying that now.
So it's time to do some decorating. Ta-da! Let's set it in place.
Make way! Playing pieces are coming.
Awesome, Sammy. How did you manage to make them and not confuse anything?
I had a list and a layout of all elements.
Ooh, like at a warehouse?
Well, what game are we making, huh? Some people say that games are a waste of time, but on the contrary, this game helps to build up the skill to organize things.
Well said, Sammy. I only need to add a few more pieces, and our game is ready.
Come on! Huh? What's happening? Still, what's going on? I don't know where Mr. Sokoban will move.
Oops, I forgot to draw the arrows. There, now it'll be clear. We'll draw them on all sides.
What if I hadn't reminded you?
What if?
Yada yada.
It's good now, right? Everyone's pleased? The rules of the game are the following. You need to move the yellow crates to the pink spots, avoiding the obstacles.
That's a piece of cake for such an experienced warehouseman like me.
Then the first level isn't for you, but it's just fine for me. And over here. Ooh, around.
Yes! Yes! I'd like the next level, please.
Sure thing. I'll just replace the inner part of our game. Something seems missing. Aha! There. It's your turn now, Sammy.
Make way! Okay, how does it work? Got it! Move the crate, come on. And this crate goes here, there. Okay, and 3 more crates. Obey me! What's going on? Oh, there we go. Is it really the next level, not 10 times more difficult?
It really is the next one. Let me show you. You need to move the pieces carefully, as if they were real crates with valuable items. See? One crate after another, planning all your moves ahead. And then no crate will get in the way, and Mr. Sokoban won't get stuck either. It's fun once you get used to it. Oh, here we go. And here comes the last one. Yes, victory!
Guys, if you like this game, give this video a thumbs up. And I'm off to think of new interesting crafts for you.
Guys, support our warehouse slime, subscribe to the channel, and write some comments for him. Bye-bye!